everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. It's a beautiful day here in the Annapolis Valley. Not really. It's kind of hailing / raining right now. I'm just raking up some leaves. It's a little on the chilly side, +4 degrees. That's 39 degrees Fahrenheit for our friends across the border. But yeah, between last week and this week, there's been a flip-flop, and looks like we're heading into winter now. It's definitely gonna start hitting soon, I think. All the temperatures at nighttime are gonna be below freezing for the next while, so I'm predicting snow soon. But anyway, irregardless, I'm just using my pig to pick up some leaves, loading it up, getting them out of the yard. So I haven't really done much work to the pig in the last little while. Just been doing things like yard work and hauling wood and utility stuff with the truck. Still have the cracked output in the MP205 transfer case. Still got that in there. Haven't switched that up. Still waiting on the dry shaft. Took it over to Heritage Machining, dropped it off, and got a call from Glenn not too long after that. He said that the tube was bent on the dry shaft. So my guess would be that's what broke the shaft. The output shaft was hitting a rock or high centering on that dry shaft hard enough to snap that output shaft off. So that would be my guess now, after hearing that the shaft was bent. And he said it was pretty bent too. So anyway, just cleaning these leaves up today, waiting on that dry shaft to get retubed. I'll switch that output over at some point in time. I might do that tomorrow. Like I say, it's kind of raining / hailing here right now, so I'm just gonna finish this up and do a couple more things and then call it a day probably. Opportunity to make a shout out to Sylvia Brown, who I work with. She tells me she's been watching the videos, enjoying the content. So thank you very much, Sylvia, for doing that. And I'd like to also shout out to her cousin, Gozinza Brown.
Gozinza Brown.
Thank you for watching the content also. Bit of an angle right here. That's okay. Just like to say thanks to everyone who subscribed in the last little while. We're up to 607, I believe, as of today. Really appreciate it. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, do me a solid and hit that button to subscribe. Hit the like button too, so the algorithm picks it up and puts it out there. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers, hopefully soon. And yeah, when I hit 1,000, I'll have a special video for that. I'll think of something crazy to do just to celebrate, because that's going to be awesome. So anyway, I got to unload these leaves. A lot of people have multiple vehicles for multiple uses. You know, they got snowmobiles, four-wheelers, side-by-sides, lawn tractors, trucks, trailers, whatever. For me, the ditch pig is a multi-use vehicle. I use it for all kinds of things, but I can't afford to buy multiple vehicles. This is my snowmobile, four-wheeler, side-by-side, lawn tractor, utility vehicle, pleasure cruiser, stress relief, you name it. All rolled into one. I'll tell you what, it's quite a hop to get up into this thing. Like, yeah, she's on an angle. Damn. Just a quick video just to say hey. I haven't put a video out in a while. Let me grab a second here. Hey! Just a quick video to say hey. I'll have some new content here soon, and thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.